Hey guys, the POV photo guy here, and today I'm talking about how to build your vendor list and how to build your business as a wedding photo or videographer. If you feel you are struggling to get new leads, this video is for you. I will share you an easy trick how to elevate your business, how to build your vendor list, and how to get more leads. The reality is, it doesn't matter how good you are as a wedding photo or videographer. The most important relationship is the vendor relationship in the wedding industry. It doesn't matter how many people you know in the industry, it matters how many people know you in the industry. Wedding planners, venues, florists are the main vendors who can bring you new clients. Of course, you have to be a nice person who is easy to work with, but one of the key is the communication. And years ago, my communication with other vendors was not so good. And you cannot believe how many photographers are not putting the time and effort to send out the photos or the videos for the vendors. I got back a lot of times from vendors who were thankful for me that I'm sent out the pictures for them, because they said it's only a few times when they get pictures back from the photographers. And this is your opportunity. And now comes this video sponsor, PIC TIME. When PIC TIME reached me out to make a video for them, I said of course, because I'm using the platform for many years. And let me ask you one question. Do you send out the pictures for the vendors? And second question, how do you deliver the pictures for the clients and the vendors? Because PIC TIME sponsored this video, I have a great deal for you. If you use my link in the description, you get 1 month for free without any payment. If you love the platform and decide to get a plan, with any paid plan, you get 1 month extra for free. Before PIC TIME, I delivered my galleries via WeTransfer or Google Drive, what is of course not so professional. I really love PIC TIME because it's very user-friendly for myself and for my clients as well. You can easily upload the photos and deliver a very beautiful and clean gallery. Let's see from the client side. The client can favorite the pictures, what they like, and they even hide pictures what they doesn't like. It can be a bad posing or anything else, but they can easily hide it. And then comes the vendor. Before PIC TIME, I delivered the full gallery to the client via WeTransfer or Google Drive. Then for all of the vendors, I have to select again and have to upload again to WeTransfer or Google Drive, but then it's ate up a lot of space from my Google Drive and the email doesn't look very professional. Why I like PIC TIME? The PIC TIME is very user-friendly, very beautiful and clean, but also they are a very innovative brand who are developing a lot and fast reacting to the new trends, for example AI. Now you can simply pick a face and then AI select you all of the similar pictures from that exact person. And if you want to send it to a vendor, you can easily do that. In the left bar, simply go to the vendors and invite the vendors collaborate with the gallery. As you can see, I have many vendors who I worked with before, and let's say I want to share this gallery with the venue. I can simply add new vendor where I have to share their names, email, website and Instagram account. The most important thing to select what type of vendor you are sending to. As you can see, there are a bunch of options: wedding planner, wedding dress, venue, florist, cake, to the makeup artist, and you have option for other or custom type. Then AI do the heavy lifting and select you the relevant pictures. Of course, AI cannot be 100% accurate, but you can select, add or remove manually. It happened to me when I wanted to send photos to the venue. It selected me like cakes, but you can be sure if the client gallery is 700 pictures and you want to send it to the venue, AI will not select, for example, the group photos. So I think 80-90% is accurate, then the rest you can select yourself. Pro tip, always write a nice message to the vendor and mention your Instagram or social media handle. But PIC TIME is very good because your PIC TIME site is already branded, so every time they download the pictures, they know whose pictures they are downloaded. And when they share it, they collaborate with you, so you get potentially new viewers and inquiries. I can tell you this year, because I sent the pictures to the vendors in this method and collaborated with the vendors in the social media, I get a lot of new inquiries. Venues, planners are always looking for new content, so they are really happy to share your content. And yes, of course, you can invite them to collaborate with, but first of all, maybe they want different pictures to post, and secondly, in venues particularly, I had experienced in this year, they put your pictures on their website, and that is free marketing for you. So if you want to build your vendor list and elevate your business, I highly recommend to join PIC TIME. Let me know in the comment what other tips do you want to hear from me. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot for me. Hope to see you soon. Bye.